I'm going to show you how to make a quadrant chart using the rich text editor of Canvas. So this is an example of a vocabulary lesson in which they want you to create a quadrant chart. Quadrant chart has a word, a definition, a symbol or picture, and synonyms. I have chosen to put a sentence to explain my pictures because sometimes this doesn't quite make sense without. So in this case, we've got some words here and it's a discussion. So I'm going to reply and it gives me one of these. First thing I'm going to do is make a table, and it needs 4 pieces because it's a quadrant chart and quad means 4. Okay, so the first one is going to be the word. So I'm going to create the word bind. And then I can go to my dictionary. If I click here, it will let me have it in a different tab. So I'm going to open up the next tab, which is the definition site. And I'm going to put bind. And then it tells me to tie or wrap with rope or string. Okay, so we are going to use this one to make someone do something because of a promise. So I'm going to go back. I copied and pasted that, and then I don't have to do quite as much work. I'm going to put in synonyms, and that will be on the thesaurus site. So if I click here, it'll take me to this thesaurus site. I can put in bind. And I want something to be the same. So obligate and restrict are kind of the same. Things that are dark orange mean the most like the word that I'm trying to look at for the definition. And as they get lighter, it'll be sort of the same, but getting a little bit farther from like in the shades and the nuances of a word. So I'm going to just choose a few. I'm going to choose restrict, confine, and constrain, and I'm going to put that on here. Restrict, confine, constrain. And then I need to find a picture. I can also use Flickr. Okay, and I can pick this one. I like my alternative text signing a contract. And then I want to update, and there it is. If I wanted to write something on there, I'd want to and that's as simple as it is to create a quadrant chart in the rich text editor. Ta-da!